Do you know that there are just 6 areas to cover when learning a language? The first is to learn how to greet and how to ask, "How are you?"
Speak English. Hindi में बात करो. Шуачунвэн. Habla español. Говорить по-русски. Качуй.
Hello, welcome once again to the channel. It's AKD. There are 6 areas to cover in order to learn a language. Now, the first thing to know is how to greet and how to respond. In addition, you should know how to ask, "How are you?" "I'm fine." "Hello, how are you?" "I'm fine." That's the first thing you need to know when learning any form of language. The second thing to know is how to introduce yourself. Here I mean, ask about someone, how to express yourself. "What's your name?" "My name is this." "Where do you come from?" "Where do you live?" "What do you do?" You should be able to learn things like this and express yourself. And that's the second thing you need to learn when learning any language. Now, the third thing is to ask where someone is and know a few destinations. So, who are you? "I'm in school." "I'm at the zoo." Know a few destinations and also know how to ask where someone is and how to answer. The fourth thing to know is also very related to asking where someone is, and it is to ask where someone is going. So, where are you going? "Where are you?" "I am going here." And also to be able to answer if you are going somewhere. For instance, where are you going? "I'm going to school." Now, when it gets to the fifth thing you should know is to review everything you've learned, from greetings to asking people where they are going, and find other ways of saying the same things you've learned through just expanding your vocabulary in this region of 4 areas to know. Now, when you're done with all these, you realize that you are already speaking the language. When it gets to item number 6, it's very organic. It depends on you. That's where the growth process begins. You're going to learn more, learn phrases, get challenged as to hearing new things. And all those come when you begin to communicate with people, when you start learning to talk, when you start chatting, exchanging with people. You come across a lot of things that you don't understand. But on the basic framework, you are good to go. You should be able to express yourself in terms of greetings, introducing yourself, asking where people are going. And that's how to learn a language. Thank you, and check out the channel for other videos. We have the Learning Hindi series. You can check it out also. It's following the same process. It's been on quite a hold at the moment, but trust me, we are picking it up this week. So thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.
Speak English. Speak.